right, how's it going? Mr. Reshoevnator is here. Sorry, I'm a little under the weather, so bear with me as I do this cleaning. Not only do I not feel all that great, this kind of hurts my heart. I told these guys to go get these dirty, and I said, just do whatever you want. A DS pair of off-white ones. So I have my work cut out for me today. I'm gonna have to go ahead and take these outside and knock off all this excess dirt. And let's see, for those of you that own these or any off-white shoes, you know that the material, that plastic they use is really, really, really difficult to clean. I'm not sure if this is gonna clean, to be honest with you. So we have our ultimate kit to do the test today. We brought out the big bad boy kit you can find at reshoevnator.com. We will be providing a discount code later on in this video. So as I mentioned before, we're gonna go ahead and take these outside. I don't wanna create a big puddle of dirt here and mud on this table, so I'm gonna try to get as much of that dry dirt and mud off of these shoes outside. Let's go. Look how much dirt and stuff is on here. Let's see what we can do. Jesus. That'll work. All right, so we're back. I'm going outside and dusting most of the dirt off these damn things. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the laces. As you can see, there is dirt underneath this material, and I have a feeling it's in between the mesh and whatever plastic they got, so I'll be curious to see if that comes out. It's good. Next thing we're gonna do, take the solution. So we whipped out the big bad boy ultimate because I'm not exactly sure what tools I'm gonna need to make this cleaning successful. So we just wanna make sure we had the best of the best and everything that we could ask for. And without further ado, let's get started. Soft bristle brush. Now that I've kind of loosened the dirt and went over it with the soft bristle brush, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the medium bristle and hit the midsoles, wipe it down, look at the shoe, make sure that there isn't anything that sticks out and needs more attention, which I'm sure there is after wiping the foam off it. But let me use this medium brush and we'll clean it off and see how we're looking. So if you can see the dirt underneath this, that's where the washing machine hopefully comes into play. Same with on the sides and in the back on this mesh. I mean, you can see that. The only way to get that out is gonna be the washing machine. There's no way a brush is gonna get that out because you need to get water and soap behind that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the medium bristle brush. Hit this again. Stiff bristle brush. I think that's it. What I'm gonna do now is take these laces, dunk them in here. Last thing we're gonna do, take the trusty sneaker laundry bag, toss the shoe in there. As you can see, there's still some dirt underneath this toe box section and the sides of the heel. I mean on the inside. So let's go ahead and put these in the washing machine and let the laundry detergent do its magic. Take these, Okay. Let's go put these in the washing machine. I'll go ahead and rinse this off too. This doesn't look good, so dirty. And we'll be back in about 40 minutes. Okay, so we're in the restroom here. We're gonna throw these in the washing machine. Got our water on, sneaker laundry detergent. It's right on top, right there. Small load. That's it, cold water. Start this thing, let them go through the washing machine, let them dry a little bit. We'll be back in about 42 minutes. How's it going, YouTube? We're back. These things are not completely dry, but they are drier than they were. Good news, they cleaned up. They look awesome. It did take 2 cleanings, 2 pre-treats, and 2 times in the washing machine. It also took Vic's little hands to go inside there and get underneath this toe box. You had to clean it from the inside because the way the material is, stuff was in between here. So thanks to Vic's little hands and his time and energy put into these things, they look, I mean, they look pretty much new. So now we got to clean this one. Shout out to StockX for sponsoring this and hooking us up with this pair of shoes for this video. Thank you for subscribing. Actually, I don't know if you've subscribed, but you should if you haven't. We're gonna be doing a bunch of giveaways. You can save 10% off now if you use the code 10OFFYT for YouTube. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you next time.